Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brainyard, coming from Ja People's Camp. Today, I'm here to talk about the origin of Jamaican Patois and why Jamaican Patois is not broken English. Part 1. Yes, indeed. Let's go! The term Patois comes from the French language, Patois, which means to handle clumsily, to pour. The language sense may therefore arise from the notion of a clumsy manner of speaking. You know how Jamaicans speak? Where are you about? What are you talking about? Who that? Who is that? As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. Remember, Jamaica was a British colony seized in 1655 by William Penn, father of William Penn of Pennsylvania, and General Robert Venables. It's where the British colonialists had massive acres of sugarcane, and in fact during the 200 years of British rule in Jamaica, Jamaica became one of the world's leading sugar exporting nations, producing more than 77,000 tons of sugar annually between 1820 and 1824. So, before the abolition of slave trade, colonial masters used to get slaves from Africa, especially West Africa and other parts of Africa. Then, following the abolition of slave trade, but not slavery itself, in 1807, freed slaves were settled in Jamaica, Liberia, and Sierra Leone. The British imported Indian and Chinese workers as indentured servants to supplement this labor deficit on the sugarcane plantations. Different groups of slaves came speaking different languages depending on where they had come from. These languages were mixed with already existing languages on the plantations like Arawakan, Taino, Spanish, English, Chinese, Indian, and other languages of African origin. Finally, when Jamaica got independence in 1962, a unique language called Jamaican Patois, Jamaican Creole or Yadi had been born, comprising words from all these languages that were already on the plantations. This Jamaican Creole or Patois was so inevitable at the time for reasons that if one spoke the same language as their colonial masters, the colonial master would definitely understand what they were talking about or planning to do, like to kill one of them, to escape, to sleep with his wife, etc. So this kind of language barrier was a blessing in this case. So after departure of colonialists from Jamaica after 1962, Patois had stuck in people's lives, and up to date, no one can separate Patois from a Jamaican born. Some people, especially non-Jamaicans, think that Patois is broken English. No, it's not. In fact, Jamaican Creole has its own unique rules of grammar, punctuations, tenses, prepositions, plurals, pronouns, and a lot more, as we shall see in the following lessons. For instance, let's take a simple comparison between English and Jamaican. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, on your left it's English words, and on the right it's Jamaican equivalent. Let's go. A bastard child. In Jamaican, we call that a 6'9" jacket or shalai biebe. You, plural. In Jamaican, unu. Yesterday, wadi. Wonderful. Bunununus. Womanizer or philanderer. Gyalis. Witchcraft or wizardry. Obia. Witch or wizard. Scientist. Whose. Hoofer or Piu. What's going on? Wagwan. Wave. Shake hand. Watch. Pre. Warrior. Gangali. Why? Wamek. Virago. Tegerek or Pankut. This girl, da Gyalia. These girls, them Gyalia. That boy, da Boyde. Tears, Yaiwata. Strong and fearless. Talawa. Take a bath. Walla fresh. Surround. Carol. Sunglasses. Dakas. Sugar daddy. Boops. Street vendors. Igladem. Stop cheating on me. Tapa Jimmy Bone. Stop. Cree or tap. Steal. Snuggle or thief. Stammer or starter. Tie tongue. Yes. Vagina. Pum pum. A few. Two. Tomorrow. In a delights. Tiny. Nigoyai. All maga. Throw it. Fling it. Or dash it away. Those guys. Them boy. Shut up your mouth. Kiba your mouth. Scored. Trace. Or kuss. Shoot. Lick shot. Or rinse. Or pap the glack. Go digger. Shiny eye girl. Or tekisha. Sex. Dogo dogo. All jukes. All vitamin S. Scandal. Bangrang. Bachanal. Or pasa pasa. Rumamonga. Lipi lipi. All laba laba. Resemble. Fiver. Relax. Gomas. All bill back. Rat. Mus mus. Quarrels. Couscous. Or bangrang. Problems. Crises. Prison. Gideon. Pork. Anode. Pierce. Juke. People. The masses. Hoi polloi. Massive. Penis. Khaki. Or wood. Party. Bembe. Sneak. Screechy. Slow pace. Today tomorrow. Slippery. Sipo. Slay queens. Dibi dibi dem. Skinny woman. Kukunkum. Or krum krum krum. Sickly. Pia pia. Happy couple. Dolly Ose. Glutton. Beliologist. Or nyami nyami. Give. G. Gossip. Carry go. Bring come. Or sus. Gigolo. Saps. Gift or present or souvenir. Jitima or gif. A ghost. Dopey. Genuine. Good up or goody goody. Tujia. Kissed it. God damn it. Ratted or jizampies. Fuck you. Bomboclat. Rasclat or pussyclat. Friend. Bregin. Daddy or friend. Food. Biko. All nyamins. Fat. Mampi. Family. Fambili. Extra bonus. Brata. Envious. Ready eye. Don't worry. No fret or no stress. Pagan. Eden or Payaka. Overtake. Take back. 1 minute man. 9.58 or Birdman. Okay. Chris or Ire or Selaf. Oh my God. Blows and skirts. Of course or definitely. Da no. Obese. Waga waga. Slobo slobo. Mampy. Nosy. Inquisitive. ningi ningi, fasiete, nonsense, fuckery, my older brother, me older brother, my friends, me 2-5s them, my crew, me kombolo or me gakon or me pause, must be, mosi, much or a lot, X amount, motherfucker, pussy wall, fussy wall, mortuary, dead horse, mall, sellout, infama, messy, untidy, chaka chaka, magician, mealman, or scientist, maggots, magigidem, lodge, ramping sharp, lingerie, chineke, liar, liard, leave, splot, or take away yourself, last born, wash belly, Jesus Christ, backside, me dead no, I want, me nah, I love you a lot, me love you bad, don't waste time, no linger, don't have to, nothing, do you understand, zin, or overstand, destroy, mash up, daydreaming, skylark, cry, ball, crucial, harmonious, cowardly, Freddy, copycat, fala fashion, compress, quint, coach potato, teletated, clown, puppy show, choosy, thenke, child, picnic, chatterbox, motamasi, or lippy, chance, bly, chains, manacles them, centipede, fat leg, blah blah, wara, or tarawara, or 111. Big large event, attack claps, behind you, back you, asshole, bomb wall, as soon as possible, in the alley, as if, like I say, arrogant, braggadocious, aphrodisiac, manish water, anger, vexation, amusing or interesting, sweeten. I'm here, me there, hysteria, tabanka or tutulbie, hulabalu, tralala, hypocrite, back and belly or pogrit puppet, hooliganism, slackness, hold on, Wallan, his boy is a mute, imbwa momo, high libido or lust, white liver, her skin is spotty, she skin peke, he's paranoid, imparo, he's a nice looking guy, imaribe, have to, happy, all affy, gospa, snitch, bagawire, infama, and all, Patois, albino, dondos or yellow man, abroad or overseas, a foreign, a virgin, goody, a thorn, maka or pika, a savage, buguyaga or butu, a mosquito, pass fly, a lot of, wallipa or nafa, a lot, wallip or naf, a fool, kunumunu, jankro, cannabis, marijuana, sensmelia, kali or indica, women's underwear, pony printers, pum shirts, chineke, bat rider, Tom, Dick and Harry, Habradabra and the crew, Sam Cow and the Dopey, Sodome, Bugarin, all number 2, or Batty Business, or Chichimanism, Goodbye, Likomo, More Time, Blessed, or Just Be Alive, Gay, Chichiman, Batty Boy, Bula, Rumpis, Mama Man, Funny Man, Police, Babylon, or Beast, or Demboide, or Blue Sim, Rumors, Sus, chit chat, him say them say, carry go bring come, brango, come say, laba laba, pang mili, otak, a prostitute, sketo, rat, benzi punane, lego bis, mattress, old foot, jamit, jagabat, strege, busybody, boom boom girl, nice cute sexy girl, tamale, goodas for them, okipus, bee, catty, beef, Ribian, Nikki, Christine, Jacqueline, Maddie, Biscuit, Chosel, Splisha, Gangsta Boss, Tapanaris, Dangagan, Dandada, Tapnatch, Tapatap, Rude Boy, Badman. Everyone is invited. Wash your foot and come, or wash un foot and come, and a lot more Jamaican vocabulary as we shall see as we move on. Guaranteed, ladies and gentlemen, my name Brainerd from Japipo's Camp. Thank you so very much. Next time, blessings.